At Lake.com, every stay is an opportunity to create lasting memories. And once your visit comes to a close, sharing your experience through a review not only helps fellow travelers, but ensures that your insights go to improve the experience provided by hosts. I'm David, the founder and CEO, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to leave a review after your stay. Leaving a review is simple and impactful. Reviews are important because they provide hosts with valuable feedback that helps them improve their vacation rental and the experience that they offer. Plus, it makes browsing properties on Lake.com a much richer experience for everyone. Start by rating your stay from terrible to great. Your honest rating helps future guests set their expectations. Next, rate these 6 specific aspects of your stay: cleanliness, accuracy, check-in, communication, location, and value. Now, let's go into each of these briefly. Cleanliness. Rate how clean and tidy the rental was upon your arrival. Was it spotless, or did you notice a few places that needed more attention? Accuracy. Reflect on whether the listing description and photos accurately represented the space. Were all the promised amenities available as described? Check-in. Describe your arrival experience. Was it easy to access the property? Did the host provide clear instructions? Communication. Consider how responsive and helpful the host was before and during your stay. Did they promptly answer your questions and provide helpful information? Location. Evaluate the convenience and appeal of the property's location. How close was it to the water or major attractions or dining options and activities such as boat rentals or a nature hike? Value. Assess the overall value for money of your stay. Did the amenities and features of your rental justify the price that you paid? I'm sure it did. Okay, with your star rating selected, we can move on to the written portion. Have personal feedback for your host? You might want to write a private note. It's a great way to say thanks or suggest improvements directly to your host, ensuring privacy and direct communication. Your public review is what future travelers will see. Share what you loved and what stood out, and any tips that might help them choose their perfect lakeside spot. If you want to expand further, you can even provide additional details about the neighborhood, the area, how well equipped the space was it peaceful and well furnished, or maybe close to a great restaurant or fishing spot. Your insights help paint a complete picture. Your reviews do make a difference. They enhance the experience on lake, helping guests and hosts alike, ensuring that every visit is as magical as the lakes that we cherish. Thanks again for choosing Lake.com and for sharing your experience.